How to fix window update error failed to install 0x80070643। मिसिंग सिक्योरिटी एरर को फिक्स करने के लिए सबसे पहले हमें पीसी को रिस्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा। क्लिक स्टार्ट बटन and click power icon and then click restart button. Second step, after restart PC, run window troubleshooter to find issue. Click Windows Start button, click Setting icon, click Update and Security, click Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters, click Window Update, click Run the Troubleshooter. Troubleshooting could not identify the problem. If Windows find any error, it will notify you. Third step, to identify a problem, run a system file checker scan in command prompt. Click Windows search bar and type cmd. Right click the command prompt, select run as administrator. Type the following command and press enter key. You can copy this command in video description. This may take a few minutes to finish. After completed successful scan, continues to the next step. Type the following command and press enter key. You can copy this command in video description. The scan will take a few minutes. You should see verification 100% complete when it's finished. If Windows find any error, you will see the action list below. Fourth step, delete temporary files from the software distribution folder. Stop the window update service before you delete temporary file. Click Windows search bar and type services. Double click services. Scroll down services to find window update service. Right click window update and click stop. After stop window update service to delete temporary files. Window Explorer, click this PC, click C drive, click window folders, scroll down and find software distribution folder. Click on folder, click download folder, press Ctrl+8 to select all files, right click the files and click delete. Temporary file has been deleted. You can start the window update service again. Click window search bar and type services. Double click services. Scroll down services to find window update service. Right click window update and click start. I hope your device has fixed important security and quality issue.